In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment out code blocks in VS Code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly comment and uncomment sections of code using simple keyboard shortcuts so you can experiment safely, disable logic for debugging, and keep notes right in your files. Start by selecting the block of code you want to work with. You can drag across multiple lines with your mouse or use your keyboard to select the range. If nothing is selected, most of these shortcuts will act on the current line, which is helpful for quick, single-line comments. To toggle line comments, use Ctrl and the slash key on Windows or Linux or Command and slash on Mac OS. This adds the line comment marker at the start of each selected line, based on the language you're in. For example, JavaScript and C-style languages use double slashes, while Python uses a hash. Press the same shortcut again to remove those line markers. Toggling is great when you want a quick on-off switch for code without changing your selection. If you prefer wrapping a chunk of code as a single block, use the toggle block comment shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Shift, Alt, and A together. On macOS, press Shift, Option, and A. This surrounds your selection with your language's block comment syntax like /* at the start and / at the end. Press the same keys again to remove the block wrapper. This method keeps formatting intact and is especially useful for multi-line snippets where you don't want individual line markers. When you need to add line comments without toggling, meaning you always add them even if some lines are already commented, use a two-part chord. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+K, then press Ctrl+C. On macOS, press Command+K, then Command+C. This is reliable when you're layering comments or documenting sections and you don't want the editor to try to remove comments automatically. To remove line comments with a non-toggling command, use the companion chord. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+K, then Ctrl+U. On macOS, press Command+K, then Command+U. This strips line comment markers from the start of the selected lines and leaves your code untouched. A few quick tips as you practice. These shortcuts respect your file's language mode, so make sure VS Code recognizes the language in your status bar. If your keyboard layout differs, remember that Option on Mac OS corresponds to Alt on Windows. And if you ever forget a key, hover over the comment commands in the menu to see their shortcuts. That's it. Clean, fast, and consistent commenting in VS Code.